Wow, this is heavy. So boom, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing the first mod to the JZS 171 Toyota Crown. Today we're going to be installing some BCBR coilovers. Hopefully we can get this car lowered just a bit. I'm going to still keep it legal height, maybe about 13-14 centimeters. But yeah, enough of me talking, let's unbox this and get up close. So here it is, the BCBR coilovers. Check it out. Fresh out of the box, brand new. Suss it out. Not bad at all. Yeah, here it is, boys and girls. Fucking this shit's heavy, man. Do you reckon that will sack the car, bro? Look, fuck. Fuck, that's pretty sick, Yeah, so the spring rates on these, I don't know what it is. I just, I went on the website, bought them. But if I find out, I'll put it in. It should be somewhere here. But yeah, like I said, if I find out, I'll put it on the screen somewhere. But yeah, what do you guys reckon? Check that out. JZS 171. Bro, it's Kadush, man. What do you think?
Bro, fucking clean.
VIP. Alright guys, so right here, Hayden got a retune in his 8.6. So we're gonna go for a ride in it. I haven't really been in his boosted 8.6 since it's first got boosted. So yeah, let's go. Fuck, and they said the STK had no room, man. Look at this shit, bro. Fuck. Shit. Hey, so all the haters say, STK got no room, yeah? Fucking look at this shit, bro. Bro, come and fit a baby in here, bro. Look at this. Fuck, they had the kickback though, like fucking. This is sicky, man. Look, fuck. Oh shit! I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but this car's actually got a Golf engine. You guys fucking hear that gunshot, bro? Oh, what the fuck, bro? Wow, it sounds like Fast and Furious, like a fake Yeah guys, the car's in the air. First mod got to be done today. Yeah, we're gonna start off with the rears first. We got the qualified backyard mechanic right here. Yeah, look at him. Another car.
I reckon your tees will fit easy on the outside.
The tees, if it will look good or not, yeah?
Yeah, you need the Euroline.
Yeah, facts. We need a big dish, I reckon. Or chrome, at least chromey. Wait, maybe we'll go super cheap and we'll buy the hub center caps. Chrome one. And we'll just slap it on. Oh. Fuck, the boys put me to work,
My mate's like...
Hey, where's the handle for the check G?
Yeah, where's the handle, bro? Where's the handle?
Yeah, so my dumb ass lost the handle for the small jack, so yeah. Hey, I should be getting to work, It's my own car, but like...
Okay. Yeah. It's gonna slip, bro.
Hey, what the hell is this, bro?
Look at handle, dude. Look at handle.
Safety at its finest, boys. Hey, don't worry, I trust you, qualified backyard mechanic.
When the car falls, bro, not me.
What are you doing? Well, if the car falls, it is what it is, yeah? What can we do if it falls? Oh, pull out game strong hack.
Can you like...
Oh shit! I got shotted, bro! Shit! Did you go home? Oh shit, wait, bro! What? You like that? Like shit. Oh, you can smell that? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, I got pink eye now. Oh, okay, so the hater's gonna say I didn't do shit on my own car. Yeah? Suss this out. Yeah, there it is. One more to go. This is how you do it, boys.
Oh shit! Hold his legs, man. Hold his legs. Fuck, see, that's actual support, bro. You gonna have someone like Hank? I don't know what you're doing in your life, bro.
He's stuck.
That's real, bro. Someone has to hold Hank, bro. He's getting tired, bro. Oh yeah, the viewers want to ask, did the camera do it justice?
Yes, look at it. Look how clean it is. Look at that. 100 times way better.
Bro, if it comes to mine, my nuts are fucking rusty as fuck, bro.
Damn. Hey, let me tell you guys, we did do justice, brother. This car is clean as fuck, bro. Oh, damn. Damn, my guy. You have one person working? Yo! And that's CPG, baby. Taking a little model pose right here. Like that's model pose number 1. Look into the sky. Pose number 2, it's like a staring contest with the mirror, like. Number 3, which is my favorite, my final one, yeah. Stretch out the legs, you know, like you hung like a dragon. And just, you know what I'm saying? Casual. Take notes. Take notes, my guy. Take notes.
What I'm doing now is the bolt didn't want to come out because I think it's on an angle, yeah. And like we got to a point where it was so loose, it just wasn't spinning anymore. So I had to get the pliers, you know.
Brains.
And you gotta kind of push it with the pliers while bolting it because it was so loose that you're basically just forcing it out now. If the Fred fucks, you know?
Brilliant. Brilliant.
But I can't go and look sick though.
Hey, all for results, yeah? Always for the results, hey.
Trust the process.
Painting, always about results, fam. Update on the 86 because you guys haven't seen this in a while. So what's new?
The only thing that's new is I got a tune on Friday again.
Get down. More power. Oh,
Wait, that's
what the fuck?
that always happens.
Does it?
Easy fix.
Oh yeah. Oh shit. See? Come to ZPG, we fix that shit easily. Yeah. It's always clean, bro. Are you planning to ever do anything else or nah?
Nah, not really right now.
So it's done? It's done?
Yeah, for now.
Yeah, piece of shit. I'll check.
Wait, is everyone
Ready? I'm bringing sexy back. Break it down. Dirty babe. What are we about to witness, boys? Harley.
Nismo 370Z. Seen this one southeast.
Oh, is that a rapper? Oh, he's a rapper.
Shit.
Oh, he's a famous rapper. Oh, hey, what's his famous rapper name? Pop It Up.
Pop it up. Oh, he popped it up, bro.
What's up, baby? Alright. Photo for Facebook TP, okay? Facebook TP lah. Oh, yep. Another pose. Damn, must be nice. Yeah, that's a fat thing, bro. Hey. That's a fat thing right here, man. Jeez. Oh, check inside, so clean, eh? Wow. Yeah. It's nice. Hey, it smells so good. Show what?
Show the gearbox.
Oh yeah. Okay, restart. Yo, that's clean, bro. Wow. Oh, this got a fat ass, bro. It's just nice, bro. I like the fat ass. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what I'd do too. 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Boys, you got it? Yeah.
Hey!
Bro, my leg was like.
Oh yeah, the boys. Caught a big 10 kilo snapper. Take a look at it. Fucking 10 kilo, mate. It's brilliant right here.
Oh yeah, halftime break.
Yeah.
Always good to have some
right
Hungry
here,
Jacks.
we got some Jollibees and some Mackies, alright?
Jollibees and Popeyes, eh?
Yeah.
Hey, where's your Popeye chicken? Huh? Open it up. That's a Popeye chicken.
Ready?
Oh, Popeye
Do you ever eat your
chicken.
burgers like this?
Oh shit.
Yeah, hey, you're gonna lose subscribers, bro. That's don't do that shit. That's disgusting, bro. Yeah, hey.
Ready? Popeye's chicken?
Oh, that's fucking classy. Yeah, new burger.
Oi, moment of truth. We did the back two in like 3 hours. Oh, shit! Fuck! That's sacked, bro! Oh, shit! One? Yeah. Oh, we put bricks. Alright, go down. Alright. Alright guys, we've just finished installing the BCBR coilovers onto the Toyota Crown. Check it out, what do you guys reckon? That's actually 100 times way better. So I'm loving the current look right now, the new look. So I didn't adjust the height on it. This is straight out of the box, straight plug and play, and this is how it sits. What do you guys reckon? 100 times way better. So here it is from the front. Can't really tell at the moment because I think there's too much shadows. Too much exposure, but here's the front, here's from the side on. Wow, you can actually tell it's been dropped a bit, and not bad. Wow, that's actually sicky, yeah? Wait, that's actually sicky, yeah? Sicky, what do you reckon?
Here's my low, man.
What? Oh man, come on. Oh no, it's pretty low. So like I said, this is straight out of the box. You know, I might raise it a bit because I did scrape on some driveway. I'll put a clip in here.
Fuck. Turn more, yeah. Oh fuck! No! Go back! Nah, go back. Oh, go all the way back. Oh, that was so close, huh? Yeah.
So maybe I'll raise it just a tad bit. And yeah, but my favorite angle's from right here. Check it out. Damn, that's clean, bro. Like, look at this, guys. Right at the rear, not bad for just straight out of the box. Look, 2 fingers at the back, not bad. That's actually hella sick. Anyways guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Shout out to all the boys for coming over and doing the coilovers, especially Harden and Scotty. Yeah, so shout out to all the boys for coming along. Make sure to give this video a fat like PHAT and let me know in the comments down below of what you think. 100 times way better. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Laters. Check this out guys, new angle right here. Actually looks sick as with this lighting as well. Damn, look how high it is, heck. Shit, that's actually hella 1 fist stats, bro. Look. Guys, this angle right here is actually 100 times way better. Fuck, not bad. Cheers.